Good morning, Mihira. How are you feeling today? Are you comfortable using the wheelchair?
It's okay, but I feel a bit unsteady sometimes. I miss being able to walk on my own.
It's understandable to feel that way. Using a wheelchair takes some adjustment. We can work on building your strength and balance to help you regain your independence as soon as possible.
I'm worried about getting pressure sores. I've heard they can be really painful.
That's a valid concern. We can help prevent pressure sores by repositioning you regularly, using special cushions, and checking your skin for any signs of redness. It's important to shift your weight every hour or so.
Okay, I'll try to remember to do that. I'm also concerned about going out in public with a wheelchair. I feel like people will stare.
It's normal to feel self-conscious at first. But remember, everyone deserves to move around safely and independently. You're not alone in this, Mihira. We can provide you with information about accessible transportation and community resources. Mihira, I wanted to talk a little bit about why good nutrition is so important, especially when someone is experiencing breathing difficulties, even if we're still exploring the exact reasons for yours. Think of food as the fuel your body needs to work properly, just like a car needs petrol to run. When you're not eating well, or if your body isn't getting the right kinds of fuel, it can make you feel more tired and weaker. When it comes to breathing, the food we eat can actually have an impact. Big, heavy meals can sometimes make you feel very full, and that fullness can push up against your diaphragm. That's the big muscle that helps you breathe. When that happens, it can make it a little harder to take deep, comfortable breaths. So, one of the things that can often help is to try eating smaller amounts of food more often throughout the day, rather than a few large meals. This can make it easier for your body to digest the food, and can also help you maintain a steadier level of energy throughout the day without that feeling of being overly full and breathless. Does that make sense?